Instagram stories are a fun way to engage your followers and share content that doesn't take hours to make. But while you can use it to share unedited, in-the-moment photos and videos, it can soon get boring for your audience. If you want to keep your followers engaged using Instagram stories, you also need to plan ahead and get a little creative. In this video, we will explore how you can boost your Instagram story engagement and get more of your followers to spread the word about your awesome Instagram page. Be sure to stay until the end to get the most value for your Instagram page with our special bonus tip. Create themed spotlight stories. Creating stories centered on events that your followers care about is a great way to strengthen your connection with them. You can use Instagram stories to put a spotlight on people, businesses, and products themed around month-long observances like Black History Month, Mental Health Awareness Month, Pride Month, and so on. Put your customers in the spotlight. Instagram stories are meant to help you connect with your audience. And what better way to connect with them than by putting them in the spotlight? Use stories to share raving reviews, comments, posts, and stories from your customers. You can even use before and after photos and testimonials in your stories. This type of user-generated content not only helps existing customers feel appreciated, but also adds social proof to win the trust of prospective customers. Get creative with your polls. With the option to vote between two polls, polls are a great way to keep your followers engaged. Get creative with your polls and use them as a way to understand your audience better. If you're running out of content ideas, conduct polls and get your audience to vote for their favorite types of content. Ask them to vote what they want to see more of from you, for example. You could also get them to vote whether or not they like a new type of content that you're experimenting with. Polls are also a great way to get a feel of consumer demand. What does your audience need help with? What are they looking for? Do they have an unmet need? How popular is a certain product compared to another? Regularly conduct polls on your stories to find out what your customers want. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Now for our bonus on how you can use stories to blow up your Instagram account. Share posts or stories mentioning you. When another account mentions yours, it adds to your credibility and serves as social proof. It shows your followers that other people are talking about you and are recognizing you. In some cases, it also shows that people are vouching for you, which can help to build trust. So whenever a customer, influencer, or business mentions you, consider sharing it to your story. Have you used any of these tips in your Instagram stories? Let us know in the comment section below and be sure to hit that subscribe button.